All right, welcome to the channel and thank you for tuning in. This is the 2020 BMW X6M, and the front of this car looks insane. On video it looked aggressive, but once you start seeing it in person, I mean, it's just, the grills are huge and still proportional to the rest of the car, and the front bumper, I mean, look at that, all that cooling, but it just makes the car look a lot more aggressive. Coming around to the back, the back diffuser is also very aggressive, very nicely done. I mean, this is just overall a really aggressive looking car. It's got pretty much the same engine as the M5 Competition and M8 Competition, the 4.4 liter twin turbo V8, and this one, along just like the rest of them, have the 8-speed automatic transmission, which a lot of people are, you know, kind of talking crap about, but really they've done an amazing job. Well, ZF has done an amazing job with creating transmissions, and really it shifts extremely fast, to which I will demonstrate in this drive. You know, in these new cars you have the different M setups right here, so if you click that you can go to Sport Plus and change all of the setups here. Now with the M5s you can change the MX drive to two-wheel drive only, and these you cannot, even if you turn off the DSC. You also have this cool M mode, which gives you this aggressive looking cockpit right there, which is a little different from the rest of the lineup as well. So when you are in M mode, what it does is it takes away your driver's assistant and forces you to focus on the actual drive. Anyways, I'll get driving now so you guys can experience this car. I will shut up and stop talking. Now, I'm not going to be driving this car extremely aggressive like a lot of people want people on the internet to do, but I will be varying the RPMs, you know, kind of revving it up, letting it engine brake by itself, which, by the way, are all good things for the engine. So for those who tell me that I'm driving these cars too aggressively, I think I'm least of your concerns. So we're in normal mode right now, I believe. Let me check. Setup, engine, efficient. So I'll go into Sport Plus for that. And then for the chassis, into Sport Plus as well. Acceleration is literally effortless on these twin turbo V8s, and I'm quick shifting right now because we're not really up to temp yet, so I just want to keep the driving a little bit more tame.